Welcome again to a new video. In this case, I'm going to explain the present continuous. So we're talking about the present tense, but we're talking about an action that is continuous. It's an action in progress. So you can see here it says in singular, and here it says plural. So it says I, you, he, she, it, and in the plural, we, you, they. So if you see here it says, I am learning, I'm apprehending, I am learning English. Or I am not learning English. You are learning English. You are not learning English. If it's a girl, for example, she is learning English. She is learning English. If you have a dog learning English, it is learning English, or it is not learning English. If it's a boy, he is not learning English, or he is learning English. It depends. In plural, we are learning English, or we are not learning English. The class, we, together. You can also refer to a group. So you are learning English, or you are not learning English. And they are not learning English, right? They, it's a different group that is far, has a distance from us. And I want you to draw your attention here that we have the negative form with using not, but we have the verb be. I am not learning English. Is not, are not. That's the negative form. So we're talking about the affirmative form of the present continuous and the negative form of the present continuous. Then, in the other hand, we have learning. This is the verb learn, to apprehend, to get new information. And notice the verb is learn, but in the present continuous, we add ing. It's an action in progress in this moment. It probably started in the past, continues in this moment, it's in progress now, and probably it will continue in the future. So, another observation that is important, that when we're talking informal language, we use is not. But if we are in an informal context with our friends, we say isn't. Now, in the other hand, we can say are not, and we abbreviate or we contract saying aren't. That's informal. So we are learning English, or we are not learning French, and we can say we aren't learning French. So that is different, right? So that's more pronunciation. So these are some statements in the present continuous. So we use this to talk about actions in progress, right? I am learning English, things that you're doing right now in action, not routines. In the simple present, you would say, I learn English. It's an action that you do every day, every week, every month with a certain frequency. But the present continuous is an action in progress in this moment. It started in the past, recently, it's in progress, and it's now occurring, and it probably will continue in the future. Okay, so that's a short note on the present continuous. If you have any question or any observation or any comment, please, you can write it in your comments, or you can send me an email, and I will be totally glad to answer to your questions. Take care. Goodbye.